ruin prom night. But hand over your guns.
What makes you think we have guns?
We were told you'd be packing, Reacher.
They also tell you you die tonight?
I'll die. That's funny.
No guns, so no noise.
They said you were smart. I'm gonna cut you, gut you, and leave you.
Everyone okay?
Yeah, it'll heal.
Never better.
Fucked up my shoes. But I'm fine.